Oh, beautiful morning to you all. Good to see you again this Sunday morning. Yes, this is the day the Lord has made, and so we rejoice and be glad in it. Nothing take the joy of the Lord from us. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Hallelujah. So I keep saying it is always an opportunity and a privilege that the Lord has given to us. So we sing songs of praise to Him. So join me as we sing along. It's another money trip. Hey, Bala Tozelete. Ooh. You are a wonder to my soul. Jesus, 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 you are wonder working wonders. Jesus, you are a wonder working wonders. Jesus, 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 you are a wonder working God. You are a wonder working wonders, wonders. Jesus, you are a wonder working God.